Thanks for tuning in, Blaze Guitar Lessons. This was a song that was requested by my main man. I don't even know what your name is, because it's a cool YouTube name, but like Nimo Chillin' or something like that. I can't remember. Anyway, this is a great song that was requested. This is Echo by Trapt. So please hit like and subscribe and let me know if you guys have any other requests that you'd like to learn in the future. The song is in standard tuning and doesn't have a capo. Now, I should make a caveat. This is one way to play it. I'm not saying at all that this is the way that Trapt actually plays it. It's pretty cool. The lead singer last time kind of really shredded my video and corrected me. But so this is not, I'm not saying this is the actual way to play it or not. I'm just saying this is an easy way to play it with just a few chords. Okay? So please hit like and subscribe, and you know, ask me your questions and stuff in the comments and stuff. But I really appreciate you guys tuning in. So the song, I'm going to show you, it's got a handful of chords. You're going to use A. I'm not going to walk you through A because it's super easy. I'm also not going to walk you through D. It's also super easy. But I am going to walk you through a couple others. It also does B minor. Okay, so, and then it also does B. Now for B, we're just going to do it as a rip-off. They rip off B because I know a lot of you guys are new. So this is an easier way to play it. Instead of playing B minor, you just lift off your middle finger, okay? So it's like that, okay? You know, I wouldn't actually put your middle finger down there, but I'm just showing you so you can see where the fingering goes. So that's B minor, that's B, okay? Just a rip off B, all right? You're also gonna do F sharp minor. So F sharp minor, you're gonna bar starting on the biggie string on the 2nd fret. You're gonna just play a power chord for the rest of it. Now if you can bar all the way down, it'll sound the best. But you're going to put your ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the D string. Okay, so that's F sharp minor. You're also going to do C sharp minor. So another power chord and you're going to use your middle finger as well. So you start barring on the A string, all right, on the 4th fret. You're going to put your ring finger on the 6th fret on the D string, and your pinky on the 6th fret on the G string, and put your middle finger on the 5th fret on the B string. Okay. And then you will also use, so you're going to slide this 2 frets down, all right? And that's where you go to B minor. So very easy. Okay, so those are the chords. So there's really like three regular chords and then 3 bar chords. Okay, so sorry, 3 power chords, power/bar chords. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with, you're just going to do single strum A, B, D. Okay, you're going to do A, B. Close my eyes. And then you go to, so you start with A, B, D, A, B, D, and then you go A, B, F sharp minor, just like that, okay? Strum, 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 strum. So you do, close my eyes. So you start saying close like at the end of D, okay? Close my eyes. Then you do A, B, F sharp minor, and you do the whole thing passed me by, and then by you're going to do A, B, D. So you're just repeating there, okay? All right, so A, B, there is no time. You do A, B, F sharp minor, to asking why. And then on Y, you're going to start doing D, and you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And I think it sounds best if you're doing it on these lower strings down here, okay? If you're doing it on like on the little E, the B, and the G strings, okay? Asking why. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Now, asking why. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? You're gonna do I'll run away. So you stay on D. Why I'll run away. Okay, then on away you're gonna do A. Way with you. U is B. You by my side. Okay? Side is D. Side, I'll run away. So again, away is A. Way with you. Okay, so I'll run away with you. U is B. You by my. Okay, so then now you're gonna do what you did at the beginning. You're gonna do A, B, D, A, B, F sharp minor. So you're doing down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. So you do. I'll run away with you by my side. Okay, so you do A, B, D, A, B, F sharp minor. I need to let go of this pride. So what you're gonna do there is, so that, remember that strumming is just down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's like the chorus of it. All right. So, so what you're gonna do is then right after the chorus, you're gonna go into you're gonna do F sharp minor, and this is with no lyrics yet. F sharp minor. So you do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're gonna do F sharp minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B minor. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, and you're gonna keep doing that through the second verse. Okay. So then right before you get to the chorus part again, you're gonna do that same. Close my eyes, the whole thing passed me by. So you're just gonna go right into what you did at the intro of the song. Except, I mean, you could just do the single strums. Close my eyes, the whole thing passed me by. There's no time. Okay, so you could do that, or you can do and get it louder, okay? Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then you're gonna do that when you go into the chorus, the rest of the chorus, all right? And the song kind of like repeats itself from there. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I love the requests, so keep them coming because it's fun for me to like hear new songs I hadn't heard before. So really appreciate it. See me next time. Thanks for watching.